darling friend. Happy Akshay Tritiya. It is Sunday, 12:30 p.m. and I look like hot mess. I look like 104th Dalmatian, spotty and gray hair. So I'm just going to walk you through the self-care tips that I've been following during lockdown, because we do have some time in handy. I know a lot of us are very busy with kids being at home and a lot of work, just doing the dishes, cooking all the time without any break. I still feel that uh, we do have another week, so I hope you find some of the tips very, very helpful. I have this is like the PJs that I got from Walmart long time ago. It is very old, and I have my sleeves rolled, and this has like, it's my favorite. It has a Mickey. And the first tip is first tip of self care during lockdown is, you know, just sleep in, get an extra hour or half an hour of sleep. I surprisingly have been getting up at the same time at around 7 o'clock, 7:30 most days during lockdown. Some days like Saturday or Sunday or every other day, if I've been working a lot or very tired, I've been sleeping in and getting extra hours of sleep, because once this is over, we again will be running from one place to the other and may not find enough time to complete our sleep. So yeah, that's the first self-care tip. The next is take long showers. Yeah, I look like hot mess. I'm going to oil myself. We call it abhyanga in Ayurveda. So I want to finish this oil. I have another bottle of coconut oil. So I'm going to put this, and yesterday I did not do the dishes, so I am going to complete that chore and do the dishes. So till the time I do the dishes, it would be enough time to steep the coconut oil in my skin. That's what skin. And on my face. I'm going to put some makeup and wear some jewelry because today is Akshay Tritiya. So I'm going to continue with this, and I will get back to you after the shower. Alright, friends, so this is my lunch or brunch for today. It's 2 p.m. I know it's a bit late, and I'm done with the dishes. I've cleaned the kitchen. And the second self care point during lockdown is indulge yourself. We don't get time to, cook elaborate recipes. If there is something on your list that you want to cook, go ahead and cook it. This is a puran poli, so it is like a paratha or a roti with a mixture of chana and jaggery. So it's like a sweet roti which we have with savory dal. This is not a chana dal, this is a leftover sambar that I'm going to have today. So yeah, indulge yourself. I've been, indulging myself. I'm not saying go and indulge yourself every day. Go and or have oily food every day. Every other day, depending on time that you have. I've made some bhajias. I've made some kachoris last weekend. So yeah, this is the time to go and indulge into elaborate recipes that you always wanted to cook. So that's the one. And the next tip is to declutter. Now, declutter is not necessarily a self care tip in short term, but in long term, it does definitely help. So, go ahead and declutter your kitchen. I have used the leftover chana dal, and I'm going to keep this away. So, declutter your kitchen, declutter your wardrobe. I have already shared those videos. That's going to, help you stay organized and, get ready or do your chores faster. So that's the reason why I recommend declutter. And probably we might not get that much time once the lockdown is over. The next step is, before you rush to the grocery store. See what you already have in your kitchen, and make sure that you go ahead and use those up before you hit the grocery store. So I have about little bit flour left for this is jowar flour, sorghum flour, that I will be using to make bhakri. So I'll use this tonight. So dinner is decided. And then this is breakfast flour that we make thali pit. So I'm going to use this up. Use all the items in your pantry, before I go ahead and buy anything new for my kitchen. Also, I'm going to make this soak this for tomorrow's lunch. I use items in your kitchen. Alright, my friends, I had my lunch and I relaxed a bit. And before I take a shower, I'm going to finish up with my manicure and pedicure that I do at home. Nothing fancy. So I would say that use up in this lockdown, use up all the cosmetics that you wanted to try and didn't like and are lying around in your home. So I want to finish all this before I can use up my Kiehl's face wash. So this is for my hands. My hands are really small, so nothing fancy. I've put a little bit of hydrogen peroxide in this, and this is for my feet. So I'm just going to soak my feet, and then once that's done, I'm going to put this Chanel ballerina that I picked up in London airport, I think terminal 5, on my hands, and on my feet I'm going to use this Sally Hansen gel. So this is it is Rhapsody Red. So I'm going to finish relax a bit, and I'm going to finish manicure and pedicure before I take a long shower. All right, friends, it's about 4 o'clock. You know, 4 o'clock, and I'm sipping tea, my society tea in kitty cup, and excuse me. You could, sit next to your window and just hear the birds chirping, and sometimes you can see small animals in the yard. Hello, hello, my friends. I took a long shower and I washed my hair. I put conditioner. I'll link everything in the description box. So, yeah, the next self care tip during this lockdown is take a long shower, scrub yourself, shampoo your hair. Every other day you go ahead and condition your hair, or if you have a hair mask, use that. Use all the products that have been lying around and uh, you haven't had a chance to use them or haven't had time to use them. Then I also, painted my nails. I put ballerina on nails on my hands, and I also painted my toes. Let me show you. And the other self-care tip is wear jewelry. I know it sounds a bit different. Sometimes, when we are busy, we are traveling for work and all, we don't get to wear that much jewelry. Today is Akshay Tritiya anyways, so I wore my earrings and I wore the anklet. These are very old anklets that have been lying around. I wanted to buy a new one. I just thought, I'll wear it. Anyways, I'm not going to work because I don't wear anklets at work. They make sound, so it's kind of bit annoying. So yeah, just wear jewelry, wear things that you already have around home, and just take time out for yourself. And you could also do long workouts. I'm not going to include workout in this video. I've covered a my fitness routine video. You please go ahead and watch that. I have not worked out today. I'm going to work out late at night because I have some emails to answer. So I'm going to take care of that. And could also read and catch up on book. This is Grit by Angela Duckworth, and I will review this book for you. So this is what I plan to do later today after I answer some of the emails from work. So that's about it for the self-care video. You let me know if you like the video, and let me know what have been your self-care tips or self-care routine during this lockdown. And hopefully we will get out of this soon. I've been wanting to wear this dress. It's like this. Yeah, I've been wanting to wear this dress, and it's like a cotton dress. I think I got this material from Bangalore or Chennai, I don't remember. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe.